am going to show you how I bake chicken. And this is a whole chicken that I took out of my freezer and I thawed out. And oh, I gotta cut this hunk of fat off. I don't want that on there. I always cut the tail off because I don't like that at all. I think that's a little piece of pepper or something on there. Anyway, let me put my couple of onions in here. So, for starters, I'm going to take a little bit of oil. And I'm not going to stuff this because I'm just simply going to roast it. And that's it. So, with all that, I'm going to sprinkle a little garlic powder on it. I'm going to put a little bit of sage on it. Yeah, just a little bit. Sage is pretty potent. I just want just little. Sage is good with chicken, especially baked. Okay, I know I got onions in there, but I got to have a little onion powder on it. So, there's the onion powder, and I never measure anything. I'm not going to use that salt because I'm going to use this. And I got to open this. This is a sea salt rub seasoning. And it is just cracked peppercorn and herb. Just simple. So, we're going to put a little of that on it. Ooh, that's going to be pretty. Okay. We got that. Now we're going to put a little paprika on this. I love paprika on baked chicken. To me, it's just not baked chicken without my paprika. And lots of it. So, okay. Looks pretty good. And again, I never measure anything. This is a little bit of parsley. Oh, and I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil and some of my seasonings on my onions. Take a little bit of my salt. Put a little more pepper on here. Put some pepper on my onions. Alright, that is good. I got a little bit of everything on there. That's just how wonderful it's going to be. Alright, now I'm going to take just a little dot of water. I always put just a little dot of water in my pan. Not a whole bunches, but that's it. I'm going to cover that up with a little piece of aluminum foil, and I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees, and it's probably going to bake for about an hour, hour and 15 minutes. Every oven is different, but mine, it bakes perfect at that time. About an hour, anywhere between an hour and a quarter. It does pretty good. So, that's that simple, putting it together, friends. And you could put your potatoes in there. You can put any vegetables you want in there. But this day, I'm just doing roast chicken and onions. So, there you have it, and as soon as it's done, I'll bring you back and show you how it looks. Here you go, friends. Our chicken is done, and it's beautiful, and it's nice and tender. That's it. It's that simple. Very simple, and it's nice. I can make, you could make potatoes. You could put potatoes in here. You could put all your vegetables in here. But you know what? I just wanted some roast chicken with some onions. I normally will put mushrooms in there with it, but I was out of fresh mushrooms. So, anyway, that's it. It's gorgeous, and I'm going to go enjoy some dinner. Thanks for watching.